Namaste and good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to DigiTALK with Impactsure Technologies. Thank you for your time and presence. As we all are familiar with the fact that technology is playing an important role in the manufacturing industry and supply chain industry, a new survey by McKinsey finds that responses to COVID-19 have speeded the adoption of digital technologies by several years, and that may changes per year for a very long haul. We have Amazon now using drones for delivery, Roomba robot used for house vacuum cleaning. So great development. Today, AI-based technology is helping large to mid-sized organizations to minimize on human error, optimize on the automation, and capitalize the business outcome and focus on customer experience. At Impactsure Technology, we have a plethora of such tech products that helps in facilitating day-to-day operations built for scaling speed and security. We are committed and focused to improve clients' business outcome and deliver quality. We have been hearing and talking about digitization since 2020, since the COVID era. Digitization that is all about using technology rightly for efficient data capturing, processing, standardization, and maximizing profitability. Modern technology has become one of the important channels of connections to do businesses with the help of digitizations to get better outcomes. We can now capture not only data and insights from the sectors that is directly relevant for the consumers like retail, food chain, e-commerce, but even sectors dealing with small and medium enterprises like manufacturing of different commodities are too using technology to integrate processes and come up with insights for new opportunities and business expansions. We have seen larger organizations like Colgate using SAP HANA for data integration and analytics, and small manufacturing organizations like, example, white goods and textile industries also now adopting various digital technologies